Hi folks, this is my Tamiya Grasshopper. I bought the car a couple years ago off eBay, and it basically looks like it was pieced together before I got it, and I finished piecing it together. I hand brushed on fast color fluorescent green paint just to get it done, and I had stickers for my sticker kit. But the reason for the video is you can see I broke the shock tower. I did this a while ago. I hit a neighbor's mailbox. It was one of those Rubbermaid mailboxes, so the mailbox was fine. The as you can see, the Grasshopper didn't fare so well. So I have a new chassis I got off of eBay, and I'm gonna switch it over. It was like 13 bucks shipped, and I'm gonna switch everything over. And so basically, gonna switch everything over. Like I said, it has the guts and the motor. It came from a Radio Shack Golden Arrow buggy I had that was retrofitted with modern electronics. Instead of the electric circuit board they used back in the day. So anyway, I have an LRP stock electronic speed control, and then I believe it's a Midnight 2 training stock motor. And I'll tell you, with the motor, this buggy flies. In fact, I even from the pinion gear from the Radio Shack Golden Arrow, I just do everything in here, and this buggy flies. So like I said, shock tower is broken, so my next adventure is I'm going to swap it over. So I have some downtime, so that's going to be my project for now. Okay folks, going to switch the chassis over with a brand new one. Got the body off. See, from years of using it, it's a little dirty. So let's start switching it over. I'll do this step by step. Alright. Okay, still working on the buggy, taking off the front end. Alright, did some, not a big deal, but did some swapping over. Like I said, this buggy was very dirty inside, so I found myself using Windex and a Q-tip to clean, just to wipe stuff off. This is a basher buggy, so I mean, you really should clean your RCs to prolong their life. But this was a basher buggy, so the changeover continues. Okay, I took out the rear end. I'm gonna clean it up real quick. But it's a Midnight 2 motor. I believe this is made by Trinity. Still got a lot of punch to it. So let's clean this up and put it back. And like I said, that's a okay, made some progress with the Grasshopper, swapping the chassis over. Did the rear end. It's all buttoned up. Was actually missing a bolt over the screw here. Like I said, I think when this broke, I think I borrowed some screws for another buggy. So thank God I had my parts bin. So she's basically 90% complete now. New chassis. It's gonna button up the electronics, put the tires on and the body, and test her. She should be good to go. Alright folks, I got everything buttoned up basically, but I cannot test it right now because either my battery pack is dead or my remote is dead. It's not responding, so I think I have a dead battery. Anyway, I'm gonna add to this video. I'm gonna go get a battery pack and change the batteries. I'm gonna when I go back to my home, I'll get a charged battery pack and change the batteries, and she should work. So let me clean up and button everything up, and talk to you soon. Okay, the Grasshopper with the new chassis, no busted shock tower. Light a light here. Tamiya Grasshopper with the new chassis, no broken shock tower. Everything's buttoned up. I still have to get the batteries to test it. The broken chassis, broken shock tower, and you can see this thing's been taking years of abuse, and I'm sure I'm going to get more out of it. Alright. Okay, back at my home forge, I guess you want to say. Swapped out the remote batteries and put a freshly charged battery in there. So we got juice, and she will run. So yeah, I don't want to drive it off the tailgate. Okay, she will run. I'm going to mount it to the top of the car with a zip tie. So I'm going to give you a point of view from the car's point of view running it now. And I'm going to go be careful because I don't want to damage my GoPro. Alright. Alright, you see we did some test runs with the Grasshopper, the new chassis. As you see in the video before these clips, a couple of flips. So I have to be careful, I don't want to break my GoPro. So far so good. And we'll see how she holds up. And also too, you noticed I swapped out the antenna tube for a green one. I have a couple of these. So it's pretty cool. Also too, if you hear that, like in the video, the crunching, like the gears are crunching, I don't think the pinion on the motor is the right one. It came out of a Radio Shack Golden Arrow. I think it was different, so it might be when the gears are meshing, you get that crunchy sound, but she still goes. So one day I'll fix it when it breaks. Alright, safe travels. I'll talk to you later. Keep on RCing.